The Samsung Galaxy A50 is a big and bold device, which was very quick to navigate and use, but we're yet to be convinced by its camera capabilities. So let's open the wrap and see what's inside. Before open the box, here's some specification. Galaxy A50 has an Infinity U display and a triple rear camera setup and on-screen fingerprint. 6.4 inches rectangle, 25 MP plus 5 MP plus 8 MP rear camera. 25 MP front camera. And in my hand this is 4 GB and 64 GB variant. So let's open the box. I can't wait. After open the box we will find an watercolor white soft cover, which is cover up your device and protect your phone. Quick start guide paper. Then the device. The device is so cool. Just look the glaces. So glossy and so stylish also. Then we got the power adapter. The rate of this adapter is 5 volts 2 ampere. Obviously fast charging. USB to Type-C cable. 1 earphone. SIM ejector tool. Let's boot the phone for physical overview. On right side of the phone volume rocker key and power button. On left side SIM card slot. And you can use micro SD card and 2 SIM at once. That's cool. On the bottom of the phone there are speaker, charging hole and 3.5mm headphone jack. And backside there are 3 cameras. There are 25 MP plus 5 MP plus 8 MP. The phone will come with a large 4000 mAh battery to support its 6.4-inch screen with Super AMOLED display having a resolution of 1080 by 2340 at 403 pixels. As for the display, it's pretty fantastic. It looks pin sharp, I couldn't spot any pixels, and the Galaxy A50's brightness was strong enough to punch through the oppressive overhead glare of the booth's spotlights, and the water drop notch also on front. In this budget on-screen fingerprint is awesome is so rare. The phone runs on Android 9.0 out of the box and is powered by an octa-core Exynos processor. 64 GB of internal storage, 4 GB of RAM. The 3 cameras, a 25 megapixel main sensor, an 8 megapixel sensor for wide-angle data, and a 5 megapixel sensor for extra depth, work together to give you detailed digital zoom with minimal loss of detail, compared to digital zoom on single lens where software simply enlarges what's in the frame. The Samsung Galaxy A50 dazzles and glimmers and promises the semblance of a top-end smartphone experience for less money. It looks fantastic and the main camera rattles off stills quickly. So that's enough for today. See you tomorrow video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for everyday tech reviews.